Some horror stories are fiction, some are exaggerated. And then there are stories so disturbing that even police officers needed therapy after hearing the recordings. This is not a movie. This is not a creepypasta. This is the real story of the Toy Box Killer, one of the most terrifying criminals in U.S. history. David Parker Ray lived in New Mexico. To his neighbors, he was quiet, polite, harmless. He fixed electronics, loved dogs, and seemed like just another lonely man. But behind his trailer home was a hidden room, a room that investigators later said looked like something from a nightmare. They would call it the Toy Box. Inside the room were restraints, chains, medical tools, electrical equipment. But the most horrifying discovery was a cassette tape. This tape was played for the victims when they woke up. On it, David calmly explained what he was about to do to them. No screaming, no anger, just cold instructions describing torture in detail. Many victims were drugged so heavily they couldn't even remember their own names. Some never remembered what happened. Others remembered just enough to be haunted for life. In 1999, a woman escaped, naked, confused, drugged. She collapsed outside a nearby house and whispered words that saved her life. "He kept me in a room." Police returned with her, and what they found shocked even veteran detectives. The toy box, the tapes, the evidence. David Parker Ray was arrested and charged with multiple crimes. Before he could ever face a full trial, David Parker Ray died in prison from a heart attack. Many questions were never answered. How many victims were there really? How many never came forward? How many never survived? The true number may never be known. David Parker Ray proved something terrifying. The most horrifying monsters don't live in haunted houses. They live next door. If you found this story disturbing, that's because it's real. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more real American horror cases.